Hi, I hope you enjoyed the live and thank you for getting this far in filling in the short survey and information document. Purpose of gathering that information is so that we can have a proper conversation about where you are in your business and where you want to be. Obviously, if you've got this far in the type form, you're considering wholesale, and wholesale is what I love. The reason I love it is it's scalable, it's sustainable, and it's a legitimate business that at the end of the day you can parcel up and sell it as a viable ongoing business. Whereas with OA and retail arbitrage, it is much harder but not impossible to do. So, where are you in your business and how can I help you? The information that you're providing in this form will allow us to better understand how we can help you. There's no guarantee we can help everybody, and we don't set out to try and do that because there are those that are not in the right position or they're not the right fit. But if you feel that you're at a point where you want help, that you're willing to take the action because it is hard work and it doesn't just come, it does take effort and consistency, then fill in the rest of your details. And what I would ask you to do is drop myself a message on Facebook or just drop a message into the iGen group and Laura or myself will pick it up. I'm going to spend the next week or so trying to reply back to all the messages, seeing how we can help people. We are going to be doing a big recruitment of wholesale VAs. So we're going to try and train up approximately about 20 VAs in several batches. We're still going to keep it in a small 4 to 5 man group just so that they can get the same quality of training. So we're going to be doing that over the next, takes about 3 weeks to train them up. Going to be doing that. And then also we are going to be trying to do a more focused push on wholesale, the training course. The reason why we're going to be pushing the wholesale blueprint is quite logically. OA at the minute is proven quite challenging, and we want to provide people that are serious about this business to be able to scale to the next level in 2023 by means of wholesale. I will do somewhere in the region about 1.2 million this year, and that is simply down to wholesale. My organization is not always phenomenal. I don't always find the best deals in OA, but what I can do is build relationships with suppliers, identify good products, and then rinse and repeat like nobody's business, just pushing hard. The minute it starts going low in stock, new order in, building it up. Again, as I said, it is not easy, but I absolutely love it. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, I'd love to hear from you. Drop me a message on Facebook or fill in this type form and we will get back to you directly. I hope you have a wonderful time and a brilliant 2023. Thanks.